Hi there, this is Ranjit, and in this video we'll be doing a unboxing and an overview for this budget smartwatch known as Amazfit Bip. And many of you have been asking me to cover budget smartwatches. Yes, smartwatches like this Apple Watch or even the Gear S3 etc. are excellent, but they cost a lot, anywhere from 25,000 to 45,000. But this Amazfit Bip was just for 5,800 rupees on Flipkart, so I thought why not check it out. And the company actually also claims that this one actually has 30 days of battery life, which is huge compared to traditional smartwatches that last for just about 1.5 to about 2.5 days. So let's have a look at this one now. And yes, I don't expect it to be very, full functional like Apple Watch or a Samsung Gear S3. But for 5,800, let's see if this is good enough or not. So guys, as you can see, here is the box for the Amazfit. It just comes in this one and says Amazfit Bip and some more information. And here regarding the price, it says 6,999, but as I've told you guys on Flipkart, it's for 5,800. I'll leave the link in the description area. So let's quickly open this up and have a look what we get and how's this smartwatch. So let's just remove it, and this is the watch itself. Initial impressions, it looks like a hybrid between the Pebble and the Apple Watch, which is not bad. So we have a rubber based and looks like this is the accessories, and this is the watch itself. Let's have a closer look. It's plastic, guys, made and says Amazfit over here. It's very, very light actually. That's the first thing that I noticed. And we have a physical button over here, and back again is plastic, but it does have that heart rate optical and this is supposed to be water resistant also. So, and rubber bands, and looks like you can easily actually replace them by just pressing this and removing it and change the bands if you want. So that's what it is, and this is the accessory box that might have the charger and other stuff. So looks like a proprietary dock that we have for charging, and that's it. And a small manual user guide, guys. That's it that we get in the box. Not that much, so you'll have to connect this to USB and actually charge it, and you have to place it like this inside this cradle to charge, which is like this. You have to put it for charging. So that's what it is. And the company actually claims about 30 days of battery life, but I was reading some Flipkart reviews and users were claiming about anywhere between 10 to 20 days, and looks like it is sort of dead. No, it is on, and I think you have to pair it, and it works with the Xiaomi app. So let's try to do that. Let's see if I can power it on. We have the Mi Fit app, no paid devices, tap to pair, and says it's the watch. And Bip Fit, and guys, it's basically a product by Xiaomi, I think so, because it's using the Xiaomi Mi Fit app. Bip Fit access to location. I'm just going to give all the permissions, guys, whatever it is. Bluetooth is off, so let's turn it on. Why not? Bluetooth is on. Let's turn it on. Searching. I hope it didn't close it. Yeah, it's on. Searching. And the screen and yeah, I got it. Let's say okay. Watch isn't receiving the pairing request. Pairing, it says. So yeah, and it's having a small 1.28 inch screen. And again, as you can see, it did paid convert. So it's showing the time. So it looks like it's paid. And the screen is just a 1.28 inch screen. Couldn't get weather, so it's paired. The pairing was actually really quick, and it's updating a GPS, it says over here. So looks like it does that initial update, so I'll just wait for it, and it shows the weather over here. So it's just doing some updating and stuff, so we have to wait for it. So the pairing process was very simple actually, just Mi Fit app, and it just pairs. Regarding the screen, again guys, can't expect too much. It's basically a trans-reflective LCD screen, and I guess due to that it's able to get those claims of about 30 days battery life or whatever, because this one does not consume that much power. But again, don't expect a full LCD color or like an AMOLED smartwatch. But again, for basic stuff, it should be fine. As I've told you, it's having a 1.28-inch screen, and it's supposed to be Gorilla Glass. It also has that heart rate sensor. Battery life, they claim, is about 30 days, but realistically expect about 15 or 20 days, I would say, based on the comments I've seen on Flipkart. Sleep tracking is also there. Obviously, it also has speedometer, so step tracking. And again, as it's a smartwatch, you get notifications on this one. Whatever you get under the phone, you can. But I believe you can't reply to the notifications directly from the watch. And also, it is a water resistant, so that's also a nice thing. So accidentally, if it falls into water and stuff, nothing should happen. And it's very, very light. So guys, the settings have been done, and as you can see, this is the watch, and it also has some backlighting. As you can see, actually don't need the light because it's a reflective, but whenever you pick it up or something, the backlight actually comes like this. And I've changed the watch face. The functionality is very, very basic, guys. This is the screen and this is the button. By default, if you just touch it, it won't work. You have to actually use this one. Now it's active, and now as you can see, you can move between the modes and stuff. Let me first go to the settings. You can change the watch faces. This is the watch faces, and as you can see, these are some of the watch faces that you have. And you can also, by default, this one was there, I just set it to this one, and these are some of the watch faces. Again, not very high resolution, but again functional, gives you the time and basic stuff that you would need to know. For example, this shows the time, date, and the steps walked. That's why I was just set to that. And if you want to go back, you just press this and one more press to go back. So we have the compass, we have the timer, we have alarm, weather, activity. Here, for example, you can choose between treadmill, cycling, walking, activity history, and whatever activity settings. So basic stuff, not like full-fledged smartwatches. Apps and stuff, not that much. So this is what you have. And if you go over here, status, right now I'm not wearing it. It also has the heart rate sensor, so it will detect that steps and what you have walked and calories, etc. Basic stuff like a pedometer. And again, guys, it's a basic trans-reflective LCD screen, so not full millions of colors that you get on a traditional smartwatch like this, but yeah, because of that, it's able to get actually good battery life. And you can get basic notifications on this. By default, they're not enabled, so I had to actually go here and enable it for incoming calls, for example, reminders, SMS. I've enabled all those things, so you can enable it for what notifications you want. Incoming SMS I've enabled. So let me do one thing. Let me actually send a SMS to this one, and it should actually come to the watch. Let's just do that. I'm just going to send a SMS. I go here, I'm going to say, how are you doing? I'm going to send it. It should actually come to this watch. As you can see, it vibrated and it gave us a message. But the thing is that you can't do anything with this one. This was the last SMS I got like this. You can scroll like this, SMSs you've got. But I can't do any action to this. For example, I can't reply to this or anything. So it's just a read-only mode in terms of notifications. I can't interact with this. So that might be the biggest limitation of this watch. But again, considering the price point, I would say it's fine. And you just can go back. And regarding calls, let me actually call this number. And let me make a call. And it will show who is calling and stuff. The call is going through, and I can hang up or ignore it. I'm just going to hang up. So I can't take calls directly on the watch, but I can hang up and stuff. So that's what it is. Again, guys, it's not a full-fledged smartwatch. I would say it's sort of fitness band on steroids. That looks like a smartwatch. That would be the apt definition of this. And again, because of those basic functionality, it's able to get that good battery life. And again, as you can see, it has the heart rate sensor. So I've already set it by default. It's not set to get anything, but you have to set it via the app, watch app, and now it will track heart rate and stuff automatically. And as you can see, this is how it actually looks. So a pretty basic smartwatch, for 5,800. But again, battery life, what I'm reading from Flipkart comments, many users are reporting anywhere between 10 to 20 days worth of battery life. So guys, that's it for now for the first look at this Amazfit Bip smartwatch. What do you guys think about the same? Do let me know in the comment section below. And guys, if you have any other questions regarding this one, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Anyways guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you guys are still not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care guys.